Namaste students, I am Javin Dr. Aziz Mohammed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic media preparation, the preparation of nutrient agar media. So the nutrient agar is the basic media. It is the basal media which is the basic requirement for the growth of bacteria. It is used for the bacteria, for the growth of bacteria. And in most of the experiments, nutrient agar is used. And it is a simple media. It is also known as the basal media. For different kinds of media that are the enriched media, we can use this nutrient agar as a basal media. So it is a very simple media and it can be used in the complex media. As we have already discussed that there are two types of media, solid media and liquid media. Solid media is known for agar and liquid media is known as the broth. For the preparation of solid media, we add agar and after adding agar, the media is known as the solid media. Nutrient agar is an important medium for the bacteriological purposes. It is simply nutrient broth solidified by addition of agar. So if we have prepared nutrient broth, then we can add agar, and after adding agar, this nutrient broth can be converted into the nutrient agar media. So it's a very simple. What is the purpose of nutrient agar? Nutrient agar provides a surface to the bacteria for the growth. It provides a solid surface so that these bacteria can be grown and we can inoculate the bacteria properly. What is the composition of nutrient agar media? The nutrient agar media is similar to nutrient growth media, but just the difference is that we have added agar. That is the only difference between nutrient growth and non-nutrient agar media. What are the composition? Beef extract is 0.3%, peptone is also 0.5%, agar is added approximately 1.5% to 2%, and distilled water is added according to the requirement, and the pH can be adjusted to 6.8 to 7. For the preparation of 500 ml nutrient agar, we can first we add all the constituents such as beef extract and 2.5 gram of peptone are added in dissolved into 50 ml of distilled water. Then we can add 7.5 gram of powder agar to the flask. Then we adjust the pH of the media so that uh, the medium can have a particular pH. How can we adjust the pH? First, we check the pH. If the pH of the media is lower than 6.5, then we can make increase in the pH by adding NaOH. And when the pH of the media is higher than 7, then we can lower the pH by adding HCl. So we can adjust the pH. It is a very simple procedure. So when we have checked the pH, then we pour the media into a 500 ml flask and stir it thoroughly and heat it gently so that the agar which have been added can be mixed together. So when all the contents is clear, when the transparency is observed in the media, then we can assure that the media is ready. Then what we do, we autoclave the media at 15 lbs pressure for 15 minutes. That is the last procedure. After autoclaving, the media is ready and we can add it into the plates so that we can pour it. That is the final procedure, pouring. Pouring is made only for the solid media in the petri plates. Not liquid media can be made a pouring method. So our lecture is over here. In the upcoming video, we will discuss about the preparation of potato dextrose agar. Thank you very much.